Do you want to know why you haven't achieved financial freedom yet? Have you ever wondered what the big investors know that you don't? In this video, I'll reveal the best-kept secrets of the stock market that the experts don't want you to know. We're going to debunk myths, uncover powerful strategies, and most importantly, learn to avoid those mistakes that are holding you back. If you're tired of not seeing results, stick with me because today might be the day everything changes for you. Get ready for a financial transformation. First, let's break some misconceptions that are preventing you from achieving financial freedom. It's time to debunk those myths that have been holding you back. Myth 1. You need to be rich to invest in the stock market. Nothing could be further from the truth. Did you know you can start investing with just a few dollars? Many people think you need a fortune to start in the stock market, but the reality is that even small investments can grow significantly over time. The key is consistency and choosing the right investments. Myth 2. Investing in the stock market is too risky. Yes, investing in the stock market carries risks, but it also offers great rewards. The trick is understanding those risks and managing them appropriately. Diversifying your investments and not putting all your eggs in one basket is one of the most effective strategies to minimize risk. You don't need to be a financial genius to understand this. You just need to be prudent and well-informed. Myth 3. Only experts can make money in the stock market. This is another myth we need to debunk. Nowadays, there are plenty of resources available for anyone who wants to learn how to invest. From online tutorials to apps that guide you step by step, the barriers to entry are lower than ever. You don't need a degree in finance to start making money in the stock market. What you need is the will to learn and take action. So, if you ever thought that investing in the stock market wasn't for you, it's time to reconsider. No matter your current financial situation, you can start investing today and set your path towards financial freedom in motion. And the best part is, you don't need to be a millionaire or an expert to do it. Now that we've debunked those myths, it's time to learn some effective investment strategies that can help you achieve financial freedom. These strategies are used by successful investors all over the world and are simpler than you think. Strategy 1. Invest in indices. Did you know that one of the safest and most effective ways to invest in the stock market is through index funds? These funds replicate the performance of a specific market index, like the S&P 500. This means you're investing in the largest and most successful companies, all in one package. It's an easy and accessible way to diversify your portfolio without having to pick each stock individually. Plus, index funds usually have lower fees than other types of funds. Strategy 2. Smart diversification. Diversification is key to minimizing risks and maximizing returns. Instead of putting all your money into a single stock or sector, spread your investments across different areas. This could include stocks from various industries, bonds, real estate, and even commodities. The idea is that if one investment doesn't perform well, the others can compensate for that loss. Diversification not only protects your money, but it also gives you the opportunity to benefit from growth in multiple sectors. Strategy 3. Long-term investment. One of the most common mistakes is trying to make quick money in the stock market. However, most successful investors think long-term. History shows us that, although the market can have ups and downs, it tends to rise over time. Keep your investments for years, even decades, and let compound interest work its magic. Patience and consistency are your best allies on the path to financial freedom. Applying these strategies doesn't require advanced knowledge or large sums of money. You just need commitment and a bit of planning. Now let's talk about those common mistakes that many novice investors make. Avoiding these mistakes can be the difference between success and failure on your path to financial freedom. Mistake 1. Not researching before investing. One of the biggest mistakes is investing without doing proper research. It's not just about following a hunch or an unfounded recommendation. You need to know the company, understand its business model, review its financial statements, and follow the news that might affect its performance. Information is power, and in the world of investments, it's essential. Mistake 2. Selling in panic during market downturns. The stock market can be volatile, and downturns are inevitable. Many novice investors panic and sell their stocks when the market drops, only to lose money and then see prices recover. The key is to stay calm and remember that long-term investments usually recover. Keep your eyes on the ultimate goal and don't be swayed by momentary fear. Mistake 3. Following investment advice without doing your own analysis. While it's good to learn from experts and other investors, blindly following their advice without doing your own analysis can be dangerous. Every investor has different financial situations and goals. What works for one may not be suitable for another. Always do your own research and ensure that investment decisions align with your goals and risk tolerance. Avoiding these mistakes not only protects your investment, but also helps you build a solid foundation for your financial growth. Now that you know what not to do, you're better prepared to face the market with confidence. We've reached the most exciting part. Here are some practical tips to start investing today. These steps will help you build a solid foundation and set you on the path to financial freedom. Tip 1. Set clear financial goals. Before investing, it's crucial to know why you're doing it. Do you want to save for retirement, buy a house, or simply grow your wealth? Define your financial goals and set a timeline for each. This will help you choose the right investments and stay focused. Tip 2. Use accessible investment platforms. Today, there are many online investment platforms that make investing more accessible than ever. Look for one that offers low fees, an easy-to-use interface, and good educational tools. Some platforms even offer demo accounts so you can practice risk-free before investing your real money. Tip 3. Stay informed and educated about the market. Knowledge is your best ally. Take time to read books about investing, follow financial news, and learn from experts. There are many free resources online, like blogs, podcasts, and YouTube channels that can help you stay informed. The more you know, the better decisions you'll be able to make. Tip 4. Start with small investments. You don't need a large amount of money to start investing. In fact, it's better to start with small investments while you learn and gain confidence. This will allow you to make mistakes and learn from them without risking too much capital. Over time, you can increase your investments as you feel more secure. Tip 5. Regularly review and adjust your portfolio. The market constantly changes, and your investment portfolio should too. Regularly review your investments and adjust your strategy as necessary. This could mean selling stocks that aren't performing as expected or buying new opportunities that align with your goals. With these tips, you're ready to take your first steps into the world of investing. Don't wait any longer. Start today and see how your money begins to work for you. And there you have it. We've covered a lot of ground today, from debunking common myths to sharing effective strategies and practical tips for starting to invest. Remember, financial freedom is not an unattainable dream. With the right information and a bit of action, you too can achieve it. Don't let fear or lack of knowledge hold you back. Every great investor started from scratch, and you can too. The key is to take that first step and learn along the way. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like it, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends. And if you have any questions or need more advice, leave a comment below. We're here to help you on your journey to financial freedom. See you in the next video.